Welcome to TED Talk. Today we're interviewing Lyric Johnson on what an Hdac inhibitor is. Lyric, can you give us a brief introduction of what an Hdac inhibitor is?
So an Hdac inhibitor is a histone deacetylase inhibitor. And basically they are a class of therapeutics. They're going to be used for all kinds of gene therapy. And they can regulate and induce cell growth and growth arrest in certain genes, whatever dangerous gene is targeted.
Okay, I have a couple questions. What diseases can it cure?
Curing is going to be they've been doing research in it curing T-cell lymphomas, IBC, which is inflammatory breast cancer, also mood disorders such as bipolar disorder, and PTSD, which is post-traumatic stress disorder.
Okay, is this Hdac inhibitor like a liquid, a solid, a machine?
I believe it's like an implant, like maybe a little chip or a device that they'll put inside of, well, so far they've only put it inside mice.
Okay, based on your research, where did the Hdac inhibitor originate from?
It looks like the first test of it was at the Massachusetts Institute of Massachusetts. And the scientists basically were testing the mice, and they put the mice in a dangerous position. So they shocked them every time the mice went to a certain area. And when the mice got shocked, it left a bad taste on their tongue, basically. So the next time they put them in the same area, but the mice didn't get shocked. And to get over that fear, they implanted them with the inhibitors, and it basically targeted the genes that basically have to do with our bad dreams and our stress. And so when it targeted that gene, it basically put it to rest so that new memories could be formed.
Are there any plans for the future of this project?
I guess the next step is to try it on humans instead of just mice, to make human PTSD decrease.
So what you're telling me is that no humans has been experimented on?
No.
Okay. So, continue about how we can move further in this project.
Once they grasp the full concept of what happens when they inhibit them, they're going to be able to move forward in implanting them in other species.
Okay, so this Hdac inhibitors target certain cells, such as the cancer cell or things that trigger PTSD. It shocks them to tell them not to do it?
Basically, when the person is implanted, or when the mice are implanted, it goes to the gene. It sends out signals to the gene, and it can either make the gene shut down or stop working, or it can protect the other genes from being affected by the bad gene.
It just sounds like you're trying to control something more than cure it.
Yes, well, the first step to curing is controlling the bad part.